game on like a bitch can't clip, whole chill. Whole lot of shit on feel. Been caught bad, been to the Lewis. I've been.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Ty, aka glambytai, and I'm back with another video. And I'm coming out at y'all looking crazy as hell because I just washed my hair. Every time I wash my hair, I be looking crazy like shit. But I washed my hair and I'm going to blow dry it and straighten it and do all that good shit so we can add some clip-ins into it. So I honestly didn't put anything in my hair. I just washed it with, I want to say it's the Pantene, but I'm not 100% sure. But I think it's Pantene. Some type of Pantene coconut infused shampoo and conditioner. I just washed my hair with that. Shampoo twice, condition once. I ain't add no oil, nothing to my hair. I'm just blow drying it without heat protector. I know I'm kind of horrible at that. But y'all see why my hair looks like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's completely blow dried. I am growing my hair back out, kind of, sort of, a little bit. Not really. Haven't really been doing my rice water lately. But I'll make sure that I have that link below, or I'll put it in the cards for you guys, so y'all can go watch my rice water video. That really is what got my hair to grow. And yeah, if you ain't see that, go check that out. So a few people have been asking me what kind of flat iron I'm using. This is, I don't even know who this flat iron. Oh, it's the Infinity Pro flat iron. It's the Infinity Pro one. It got like 4 different heat speeds. I use the one that's usually like, for my natural hair, I use like 365, I think. For my wigs and stuff, I use like 400. I be trying to test my wigs, but with my real hair, I don't really put too much heat. And y'all can see that I'm using bigger sections, so I'm not really burning my hair out. So boom, this is what it looks like once I've straightened my hair. I didn't bump it, I didn't do my edges, I didn't do nothing but completely straighten it out. Also, you don't want to use clip-ins if you just got a haircut. You kind of want your ends to be uneven, if that makes sense, because it'll blend better with the clip-ins. For clip-ins, I'm taking these Amazing Beauty hair extensions. They're super cute. I did peek, but I didn't open them up or nothing like that. Y'all about to see me do that now. But in the box, they gave me a crocodile clip, which is my favorite. Anybody that wants to send me anything, put anything in my stocking, crocodile clips. Okay. They also did come with 2 little extra clip-ins, so that in case any of the clip-ins break off, fall off, whatever, I could sew my own back on there. Now, I ordered originally the 140 grams, which is basically like 140 density. Because I have really thin hair, so I needed thin clip-ins. Hello, I can't have super thick clip-ins. What are they gonna stick onto? My scalp? You feel me? So I wanted the 140 grams, but they sent me 160, which still isn't bad. I feel like that's still fine too. You can't really tell the difference, but I will go with, if you got thin hair, get a thin, thinner clip-ins. If you got thick hair, get thicker clip-ins, just so it can match with your natural hair. So as I'm placing these, honestly, I'm just making lines in my head. I did my hair, straightened it, blow dried it, all that stuff prior to putting the clip-ins in, just so this part could be easier for me. Another trick that I was doing probably like the next day or, you know, the next few days was some of my clips were sliding. I have super thin hair. Thanks, Mom. Thanks. Ain't nobody asked you to give me no thin hair. But anyway, I have super thin hair and I get it from my mom. There's nothing I can do. I can literally try to get the thickest hair out. I'll put everything in my hair. My hair is just naturally thin. It's been that way since I was a baby. So, for me, what I did, you know, realize was if I parted my hair and actually teased my hair where I was going to put the clip at, it actually held on longer than just me doing it this way. But this was my first time putting it on since high school. So I was just trying shit, honestly. So these clip-ins, I believe they're like a 1B. I mean, my hair is like naturally like a black, brown, whatever. It's a dark brown, almost black. So you can't really, you know, tell any different. I would say get a 1 if you have black hair, 1B if you have like dark brown hair like me. And like I said, I haven't done clip-ins since high school, and y'all, if you know, you know. In high school, my clip-ins was a fucking mess. First of all, let me just chew myself up because I really thought I was the shit. In high school, I would wear these fucking thin-ass clip-ins, okay, bitch? My hair would be peeking through the fucking clip-in. It wasn't even enough hair on the motherfucking clip-in for me to put it on my damn head, but I was still trying shit, okay? So don't do what I did in high school. Go this route. So boom, the key to making your hair and the clip-ins blend is just by straightening it. Me, what I usually would do is take a comb and actually go through and straighten it, but my hair was pre-straightened before that, so I really didn't have to do all that. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. I did go on ahead and use all of the clip-ins that were in the box. You really can't tell where my hair stops at. That's why I said you don't really want to have a haircut when you do these. But yeah, you guys, make sure that you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have all of Amazing Beauty Hair's information linked in the description, so you guys can go check them out. But thank you for watching. Bye.